Sometimes, love is found in the simplest of moments. A spoonful of warmth, a taste that lingers, a memory created at the table. At Jay's Kitchen in Moshi, our kimchi fried rice is more than a dish. It's a romance of flavors. Each bite dances with the bold spice of Korea's signature kimchi, tender rice perfectly stir-fried, and just the right balance of heat and comfort. A taste that feels like home, yet tempts you with adventure. Share it with someone you love, or savor it all to yourself. Either way, every bite will steal your heart.
Hello everyone, naitwa Brigita, napendelea kuja Jay's Kitchen for lunch and dinners. Today ninakula kimchi fried rice and it's really good. You should try it. Karibuni Jay's Kitchen.
Only at Jay's Kitchen, where love and flavor meet.